Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world.
Yes, sir.
And English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today, I am going to start unit number 12. In this unit, I am going to teach you how to use past simple in negative and question sentences. For example, I didn't, did you, etc. in our day-to-day life correctly. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit 12. I didn't, did you, past simple negative and questions. Section A. We used it in past simple negatives and questions. Positive sentences. I played, I started, I watched, I had, I saw, I did, I went. We played, we started, we watched, we had, we saw, we did, we went. You played, you started, you watched, you had, you saw, you did, you went. They played, they started, they watched, they had, they saw, they did, they went. He played, he started, he watched, he had, he saw, he did, he went. She played, she started, she watched, she had, she saw, she did, she went. It played, it started, it watched, it had, it saw, it did, it went. Now, some examples of negative sentences. I didn't play, I didn't start, I didn't watch, I didn't have, I didn't see, I didn't do, I didn't go. We didn't play, we didn't start, we didn't watch, we didn't have, we didn't see, we didn't do, we didn't go. You didn't play, you didn't start, you didn't watch, you didn't have, you didn't see, you didn't do, you didn't go. They didn't play, they didn't start, they didn't watch, they didn't have, they didn't see, they didn't do, they didn't go. He didn't play, he didn't start, he didn't watch, he didn't have, he didn't see, he didn't do, he didn't go. She didn't play, she didn't start, she didn't watch, she didn't have, she didn't see, she didn't do, she didn't go. It didn't play, it didn't start, it didn't watch, it didn't have, it didn't see, it didn't do, it didn't go. Now, some examples of question sentences. Did I play? Did I start? Did I watch? Did I have? Did I see? Did I do? Did I go? Did we play? Did we start? Did we watch? Did we have? Did we see? Did we do? Did we go? Did you play? Did you start? Did you watch? Did you have? Did you see? Did you do? Did you go? Did they play? Did they start? Did they watch? Did they have? Did they see? Did they do? Did they go? Did he play? Did he start? Did he watch? Did he have? Did he see? Did he do? Did he go? Did she play? Did she start? Did she watch? Did she have? Did she see? Did she do? Did she go? Did it play? Did it start? Did it watch? Did it have? Did it see? Did it do? Did it go? Section B. Do and does are used in present tense and did is used in past tense. For example, I don't watch TV very often. I didn't watch TV yesterday. Does she often go away? Did she go away last week? Section C. We use did, didn't, plus infinitive, watch, play, go, etc. I watched, but I didn't watch. They went, did they go? He had, he didn't have. You did you do? I played tennis yesterday, but I didn't win. Did you do the shopping? No, I didn't have time. We went to the cinema, but we didn't enjoy the film. Section D. Study the word order in questions. Did plus subject plus infinitive. Did your sister call you? What did you do last night? How did the accident happen? Where did your parents go for their holiday? Section E. Short answers in positive. Yes, I did. Yes, we did. Yes, you did. Yes, they did. Yes, he did. Yes, she did. Yes, it did. Now, some examples of negative sentences. No, I didn't. No, we didn't. No, you didn't. No, they didn't. No, he didn't. No, she didn't. No, it didn't. Did you see Joe yesterday? No, I didn't. Did it rain on Sunday? Yes, it did. Did Helen come to the party? No, she didn't. Did your parents have a good holiday? Yes, they did. Now it's time for exercises. 12.1. Complete the sentences with the verb in negative. Number 1. I saw Barbara, but I didn't see Jane. Number 2. They worked on Monday, but they did not work on Tuesday. Number 3. We went to the post office, but we didn't go to the bank. Number 4. She had a pen, but she did not have any paper. Number 5. Jack did French at school, but he didn't do German. 12.2. Write questions with did. Number 1. I watched TV last night. How about you? Did you watch TV last night? Number 2. I enjoyed the party. How about you? Did you enjoy the party? Number 3. I had a good holiday. How about you? Did you have a good holiday? Number 4. I finished work early. How about you? Did you finish work early? Number 5. I slept well last night. How about you? Did you sleep well last night? Exercise number 12.3. What did you do yesterday? Write positive or negative sentences. Number 1. Watch TV. I watched TV. Or I did not watch TV. Number 2. Get up before 7 o'clock. I got up before 7 o'clock. Or I did not get up before 7 o'clock. Number 3. Have a shower. I had a shower. Or I did not have a shower. Number 4. Buy a magazine. I bought a magazine. Or I did not buy a magazine. Number 5. I ate meat. Or I did not eat meat. Number 6. Go to bed before 10:30. I went to bed before 10:30. Or I didn't go to bed before 10:30. Exercise number 12.5. Put the verb in the correct form. Positive, negative, or question. Number 1. We went to the cinema, but the film wasn't very good. We didn't enjoy it. Number 2. Tom bought some new clothes yesterday. 2 shirts, a jacket, and a pullover. Number 3. Did it rain yesterday? No, it was a nice day. Number 4. We were tired, so we did not stay long at the party. Number 5. It was very warm in the room, so I opened a window. Number 6. Did you phone Chris this morning? No, I did not have time. Number 7. I cut my hand this morning. How did you do that? Number 8. Why weren't you at the meeting yesterday? I did not know about it. 12.4. Write these questions. Use, arrive, cost, go to bed late, happen, have a nice time, stay, win. Number 1. A. We went to New York last month. B. Where did you stay? A. With some friends. Number 2. A. I was late for the meeting. B. What time did you go? A. 9:30. Number 3. A. I played tennis this afternoon. B. Did you win? A. No, I lost. Number 4. A. I had a nice holiday. B. Good. Where did you go? A. To the mountains. Number 5. A. We came home by taxi. B. How much did it cost? A. 10 pounds. Number 6. A. I am tired this morning. B. Did you go to bed late? A. No, but I didn't sleep very well. Number 7. A. We went to the beach yesterday. B. Did you have a nice time? A. Yes, it was great. Number 8. A. The window is broken. B. How did it happen? A. I don't know. Now, additional exercise number 12. Complete the questions. Number 1. Did you have a nice holiday? Yes, it was great. Thanks. Number 2. Where did you go? To Amsterdam. Number 3. How long did you stay there? 5 days. Number 4. Did you like Amsterdam? Yes, very much. Number 5. Where did you stay? I have friends in Amsterdam, so I stayed with them. Number 6. Was the weather good? Yes, it was warm and sunny. Number 7. When did you get back? Yesterday. Now, additional exercise number 13. Put the verb in the right form, positive, negative, or question. Number 1. It was a good party. I enjoyed it. Number 2. Did you do the shopping? No, I didn't have time. Number 3. Did you phone Adam? No, I am afraid. I forgot. Number 4. I like your new watch. Where did you get it? Number 5. I saw Lucy at the party, but I didn't speak to her. Number 6. Did you have a nice weekend? B. Yes, I went to stay with some friends of mine. Number 7. Paul wasn't well yesterday, so he didn't go to work. Number 8. Is Mary here? Yes, she arrived 5 minutes ago. Number 9. Where did Robert live before he moved here? Number 10. The restaurant wasn't expensive. The meal did not cost very much. Now, this is the end of unit number 12. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 13. Till then, bye bye.